Hello dear students, myself Miss Vaishali Dekhate. Welcome to my channel. I am teaching you subject maths in standard 8. In this video, we will continue with our chapter number 5, expansion formulae. We will solve questions from practice set 5.3. This is part 1 in which we solve all sums from question number 1. But before that, subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe at right side to get my all videos. So children, we have been studying this expansion formulae from our practice set 5.1 and 5.2. In 5.3 also we will be using this expansion formulae. Now let us see in 5.1 we have used this formula x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b in bracket into x plus a into b. In 5.2 we have used this fifth formula a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into ab square plus b cube, binomial cube, but there is plus sign. Now in 5.3 we will be using this sixth formula a minus b whole cube. Here subtraction sign is there, or subtraction of two terms is there, and it's cube, binomial cube, but there is subtraction. So fifth and sixth formula is same, only the difference is of sign. First sign is minus, second sign is plus, third sign is again minus. Formula is same. A cube minus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square minus b cube. And we all know how to apply the formula. We have applied in 5.2. Same way we will be applying this formula number 6 in practice set 5.3. So let us see how to apply the formula and solve the sums. Now let's start practice set 5.3 question number 1. Practice set 5.3 question number 1 is expand. Till now we all have known how to expand. For expansion of binomial we have to use formula, we will have to apply the formula. Now in all these brackets we can see minus sign is there and the cube of the binomial is there. So we will be applying 6 formula. Just now we have learned the formula. So let us see. First sum is 2m minus 5 cube. So by using formula, we will use the formula. Okay. So now write the formula. As minus sign is there, we will be writing the formula of a minus b whole cube. A cube minus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a b square minus b cube. First sign is minus, second plus, third minus. Okay. And when a plus b cube is there, all signs are plus plus signs. So let us apply the formula to our sum. It is 2m minus 5 whole cube. Our a is 2m. So in place of a we will be writing 2m here. Our b is 5. So in place of b we will be writing 5 now. So let us write 2m, variable and coefficient both are there. So we will be writing under bracket 2m cube minus 3 multiplied by a square, a is 2m, 2m square multiplied by b, b is 5, plus 3 multiplied by a is 2m multiplied by b square, b is 5, so 5 square minus 5 cube. So in this way again we have got 4 terms, first, second, third and fourth. Now let us solve. 2m cube, 2 cube is 8 and cube of m is m cube minus 3 5s are 15 multiplied by 2m square, 2 square is 4 and m square plus 3 2s are 6m multiplied by 5 square is 25. Make the sums easy. Okay, solution we have to make easy. 5 cube is 125. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So here we have multiplied this 3 into 5, 15, and then 2m square is 4m square. Then here we have multiplied 3 into 2m, 6m, into 5 square is 25. In this way, now here again multiplication we can see. So always we have to apply BODMAS rule, BODMOS. So MAS, BODMAS. So always the multiplication comes first and it follows addition and subtraction. So always we have to do multiplication. After that we can do addition and subtraction. M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. We all know this BODMAS rule. So always multiply first. 8m cube first term we write as it is, minus 15 4s are 60m square, plus 25 6s are 150m, minus 125. In this way we have got 4 terms. First term is m cube, second term is m square, third term is m raised to 1, nothing is there means 1 is there, and fourth term is constant term. That means all terms are different terms. They are not like terms, so they cannot be subtracted, they cannot be added. So this is our answer. Next sum, 4 minus p whole cube. So second sum is 4 minus p whole cube. Now write the formula by using formula. Now till now you all understood how to use the formula, so I will be showing directly now. A minus b whole cube formula is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus minus b cube. Okay, this is minus. First sign minus, second plus, third sign minus again. Now we will apply the formula. 4 minus p cube. A is 4, b is p. So 4 cube minus 3 multiply by 4 square multiply by p plus 3 into 4 into p square minus p cube. So single variables are there, so I have not put the bracket here. What is 4 cube? 4 cube is 64 minus 3 into p will be 3p multiply by 4 square is 16 plus 3 4s are 12 into p square is 12p square minus p cube. Now here this multiplication is remaining. This we have to do. 64 minus, what is 16 3s are 48 p plus 12p square minus p cube. All terms are different terms. They cannot be subtracted, they cannot be added. So this is our answer. Third sum, 7x minus 9y whole cube. So let us do here only. Third sum, 7x minus 9y whole cube. We will be writing by using formula. Write the formula. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Apply the formula to our sum. Sum is 7x minus 9y whole cube. Our a is 7x, b is 9y. In place of a we write 7x, in place of b we write 9y here. So 7x cube minus 3 into 7x square multiply by 9y plus 3 into 7x multiply by 9y square minus 9y cube. Okay, so in this way we have applied our formula here. Now solve. 7x cube. Cube of 7 is 343, we all know. Cube of x is x cube minus, we will multiply this 3 and 9y. 9 3s are 27y into 7x square. Square of 7 is 49. Square of x is x square plus 3 7s are 21x multiply by 9y square. 9 square is 81. Square of y is y square minus 9y cube. 9 cube is 729 y cube. Okay, so first term and last term we cannot do anything. We will have to multiply in this second and third term. First term we write as it is, 343x cube. Now we have to multiply 27 and 49. So let us do this multiplication. 27 multiplied by 49. 63. 18 plus 6. 24, correct? Then 28, 2 return, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 1323. So it is minus 1323. Y and x square are remaining, so we will be writing x square first and then y. In alphabet always x comes first, after that y comes. So 1323 x square y plus 21x into 81y square. So 21 into 81 we will have to multiply now. 81 into 21. 21 ones are 21. 1 return 2 carrying. 21 8s are 168. 168 plus 2 is 170. So we got 1701. So we have got 1701. X we write first and then y square, and last term is 729y cube. So in this way we have got 4 terms. All 4 terms are different. This is x square y term and this is x y square term. Here x is having power 1, y is having power 2. Here x is having power 2, y is having power 1. So they are not same terms, they are different terms, so they cannot be added. So in this way this is the answer. Now see this fourth sum. Only one number is there, constant is there, 58 cube, and we will have to expand. If expand this question is not there, we would have done this sum. 58 cube can be done like this: 58 multiply by 58 multiply by 58. Then we would have multiplied all these 358 and then we would have written the answer. But here we have to expand. Expand means what? We will have to apply the formula. So while applying the formula, this 58 should be converted into binomial. This is what monomial, only single term is there. So we will have to convert it into the binomial. So as I have told you, when the unit place digit is bigger than 5, okay, if it is 6, 7, 8, 9, then that time we have to convert this into the subtraction of binomial, subtraction of two numbers, okay. Otherwise, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if the unit place digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we will convert it into the addition of two numbers. But when it is bigger than 5, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that time we will have to convert it into the subtraction of two numbers. We can convert it into the addition also, but it will become easier if you convert it into the subtraction. If you want to convert in addition, you can convert it in the addition also. 58 can be converted into, 8 is in the unit place, so it can be 8 plus which number is 58, so 50 plus 8 is 58. But here as we are applying the subtraction formula, a plus a minus b whole cube, we have applied all the 3 sums, a first, second and third. We have applied this formula, a minus b whole cube. So here also we will be applying a minus b whole cube formula. So 58 can be converted into subtraction of two numbers, which is the number which is having 0 in the unit place, which is very close to 58. Very close to 58, and 0 in the unit place is 60. Correct? After 58, very close to 58 is 60, which the number which is having 0 in the unit place. Always we will have to see when we are converting the given number into the subtraction or addition, this first number is always having 0 in the unit place. Okay, so 58 can be converted into 60 minus, which number is 58? 60 minus 2 is 58, we all know. So 58 can be written as 60 minus 2. So always see that when the unit place digit is bigger than 5, if it is 6 also, that time we will write it as 60 minus 4. Okay, if it is 57, then we would have written 60 minus 3, like this. So when the unit place digit is bigger than 5, convert it into the subtraction of two numbers. So now let us solve this sum. 58 cube can be written as 60 minus 2 whole cube. Is equal to 60 minus 2 whole cube. Now we will be applying the formula. By using formula, now we have converted into the minus, so we will be writing a minus b whole cube. We have converted into the subtraction of two numbers. So a minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square plus minus b cube. I should write minus here. In this way we will have to write the formula first. After writing the formula, we will write this sum, 60 minus 2 whole cube. So our a is 60 and b is 2. So in place of a we will be writing 60 here in the expansion, and in place of b we will be writing 2 in the expansion. So a cube means 60 cube minus 3 multiplied by a square means 60 square multiplied by b is 2 plus 3 multiplied by a is 60 multiplied by 2 square minus 2 cube. Now let us do 60 cube. 6 cube is 216. 1 0 is there and cube is there. So in place of 1 0 we will be writing 3 zeros. Okay. So it is 2,16,000 minus, first we will do multiplication of 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6 multiplied by 60 square. We will do 60 square also. So we have done multiplication of two numbers first, 3 into 2, and then we will write the square of 60. So 6 square is 36 and square is there. So in place of 1 0 we will be writing 2 zeros plus 3 into 60. 6 3s are 18 and 0 multiply by 2 2s are 4. 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8. Now we will do this multiplication first, as we will have to apply BODMAS rule always. Always apply BODMAS rule. BODMAS. This is called BODMAS. So bracket we have to solve first if bracket is there. After that off we have to solve. If division is there, first we have to solve division. Then we will have to solve multiplication. Then we will have to solve addition and then subtraction. So as multiplication, addition and subtraction is there, so we will be solving multiplication first and then addition and then subtraction. So if you want, you have to remember this rule in this way, BODMAS, BODMAS. So multiplication we will have to solve. First we will be writing 2,60,000 as it is. Now solve this multiplication. 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 6 are 36, 3 carrying, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 is 21, 21,600 plus 180 into 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 8s are 32, 2 written, 3 carrying, 4 ones are 4 plus 3 is 720 minus 8. Now we will do this 2 subtraction and then we will add. So 2,16,000 minus 21,600. Let us do this subtraction. Two lakh 16,000 minus 21,600. Okay, this is this subtraction we will have to do 0, 0, 10. We will have to write 10 minus 6 is 4. Here we have to write 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, and then 21 minus 2. 21 minus 2 is 19. 1,94,400. Plus 720 minus 8, we all know it is very easy. We can do it. 712. Now we can add this. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11. 1 written, 1 carrying. Okay. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now 19. 1, 9. So it is 1,95,112. So cube of 58 cube is equal to 1,95,112. This is the answer. So in this way we will have to solve the sums which is having single number and its square, and we have to expand, so convert it into the subtraction of two numbers. Same way we will be solving fifth sum. In fifth sum the number is 198 cube. So 198 cube can be converted into subtraction of two numbers, as 8 is in the unit place. So we will be converted into the subtraction of two numbers. 198, very close number which is having 0 in the unit place, is 200. And 200 minus 2 is 198, we all know. So 200 minus 2 whole cube. Now we have converted. We will be writing the formula first. Let me draw a line to separate these two solutions. Okay. So now by using formula in solution, by using formula, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a b square minus b cube. Every time write the formula. Now 200 minus 2 cube. Our a is 200, b is 2. So in place of a we will be writing 200, in place of b we will be writing 2 only. So 200 cube minus 3 into 200 square multiply by 2 plus 3 into 200 multiply by 2 square minus 2 cube. In this way we have applied the formula. Now we will be solving. 2 cube is 8 and 2 zeros are there and cube is there. So in place of 2 zeros, 2 3s are 6. So we will be writing 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will do multiplication of 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Multiply by 200 square. Okay. Single numbers are there. We have to multiply them first and then we will be writing the square of the number. Okay. So 2 square is 4 and 2 zeros are there and square is there. 2 2s are 4. We have to write 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3 2s are 300. 3 into 200 is 600. Multiply by 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Now we will do multiplication first and then we will do addition subtraction. You need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So it is 80 lakh minus 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 fours are 24 plus minus 8. Okay, so we will do this subtraction first, both these subtractions. This subtraction is very easy. 2400 minus 8 means 2392. This you can do orally. For doing this subtraction, we will have to use our paper. So it is 80 lakh minus 240000. So this 0000, 4 zeros we have to write as it is. Now 10 minus 4 is 6. 1 borrowed, we can now write 10, we have to write 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 1 borrowed, it becomes 7. 77 lakh 60,000. So we have got 77 lakh 60,000. Now add, very easy. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus 0 is 2. And then remaining these 3 digits, 776. 77 lakh 62,392. So in this way, this answer we have got. This is the answer for 198 whole cube is equal to 7762392. In sixth sum, again we have got this binomial 6, 7, 8. So let us apply the formula to solve the sum. By using formula a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square plus minus b cube. Always keep the sign correctly. Okay, so I have done the correction here. Now let us apply. Our sum is 2p minus 1 upon 2p whole cube. A is 2p, b is 1 upon 2p. So in place of a, we will be writing 2p only. So 2p cube minus 3 into 2p square. I will write multiplication sign. Multiply by b is 1 upon 2p plus 3 into 2p into 1 upon 2p square minus 1 upon 2p cube. So in this way we have applied our formula. Now let us solve. 2p cube. 2 cube is 8 and cube of p is p cube minus 3 into 2p square can be written as 2p into 2p multiply by 1 upon 2p. Okay, instead of writing 4p square, we will be writing this 2p square as 2p into 2p because this 2p and this 2p can be cancelled. So we don't require to write it as 4p square. Now plus 3 into 2p into 1 upon 2p into 1 upon 2p. So this 1 upon 2p square is written as 1 upon 2p into 1 upon 2p minus we will write the cube of this number. 1 cube is 1 and 2p cube is 8p cube. In this way we have solved the next step. Now here this 8p cube first term we write as it is minus, let us see what we can cancel here, this 2p with this 2p and here also this 2p with this 2p. Now let us solve. 3 multiply by 2p, 3 2s are 6p. Again this 2p and this is cancelled. Now plus sign is there. 3 into 1 is 3 upon 2p is there. So we have to write this 2p minus 1 upon 8p cube. So in this way got the answer. Next sum, 1 minus 1 upon a whole cube. Seventh one, 1 minus 1 upon a whole cube. Again start by writing the formula. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square minus b cube. Our sum is 1 minus 1 upon a cube. 1 a is 1, b is 1 upon a. So in place of a write 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square into 1 upon a plus 3 into 1 into 1 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube. Now solve. 1 cube is 1 minus 3 into 1 square into 1. 3 into 1 square is 1 into 1. So that is 3 into 1 into 1 is 3 upon a plus 3 into 1 square is 3 upon a square is a square minus 1 upon a cube. So in this way we have got the answer. All the terms are different terms. We cannot add them, we cannot subtract. This is the answer. If you want, you can add one separate step here, and then this will be the last step where we can show square of 1 and square of 1 upon a. In this way we can solve this sum. Now let us go on the last sum of this question. 8th sum, x upon 3 minus 3 upon x cube. X upon 3 minus 3 upon x cube. Write the formula by using formula. Formula is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square minus b cube. Write the sum. X upon 3 minus 3 upon x whole cube. Now a is x upon 3, b is minus 3 upon x, minus b is minus 3 upon x. So in place of a we will be writing x upon 3, in place of b we will be writing 3 upon x. So let us write x upon 3 whole cube minus 3 multiply by x upon 3 whole square multiply by 3 upon x plus 3 from formula. A is x upon 3 multiply by b is 3 upon x square minus 3 upon x cube. Okay, so here in this step we have applied our formula. Now let us solve it. So x upon 3 cube, x cube is like this we have to write, and cube of 3 into 3 into 3 is 27 minus 3 as it is I will write. Now x upon 3 square I write as x upon 3 into x upon 3. Okay, x upon 3 square can be written as x upon 3 into x upon 3 multiply by this 3 upon x as it is I write plus 3 as it is multiply by x upon 3 as it is multiply by 3 upon x square can be written as 3 upon x multiply by 3 upon x 2 times minus 3 upon x cube. 3 cube is 27 and cube of x is x cube. Okay, we have to write cube of both numerator as well as denominator. Now write first term as it is x cube upon 27. Now let us cancel numerator with denominator here. 3 with 3, 3 in the numerator with 3 in the denominator, 3 in the numerator with 3 in the denominator, x with x, only single x is remaining here, so minus x plus 3 with 3, x with x. What is remaining? 3 into 3 upon x. So 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube as it is. All the terms are different terms, they cannot be added. This is the answer. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.